This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change Toyota Yaris cabin filter, only ways. Park on level ground and open the glove box to access the filter housing behind it. Release the glove box stops, remove the old filter, and check orientation arrows. Insert the new filter with correct airflow direction, snap covers back in place, and test the blower to confirm improved airflow and quieter operation. Gather the replacement cabin filter, a flathead screwdriver, and a flashlight before starting. Confirm the filter part matches your Yaris model and inspect it for orientation arrows. Work in a well-lit area and protect your hands with gloves. Keep a clean cloth nearby to wipe the filter housing and check for debris. Taking a few extra minutes to prep makes reassembly faster and prevents reinstalling a dirty filter. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more easy car maintenance videos. Quick recommendation. A book called The Simple Path to Wealth can change how you think about money, and I find it oddly calming while working on a car. Check the description for the link and other deals to pick up a copy if interested, and for more resources. Now let's get back to the video. Open the glove box and depress the side stops to allow it to fall lower for access. Unclip the filter cover tabs and pull the old cabin filter straight out, noting the airflow arrow direction. Inspect the housing for leaves, pine needles, and dust, and remove any debris with a vacuum or cloth. Make sure the housing seals are intact and oriented correctly before inserting the new filter to ensure proper fit and filtration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.